because of my consistency, because of the type of content that I was uploading. You know, I was doing a lot of trending topics. I went from 500 subscribers in January, 30 days, to 817 subscribers, 300 more in one single month. I got my YouTube channel to get 4,633 hours of watch time. That is already crushing the YouTube's standard for what you need now to monetize your videos, which is awesome.
Oh no, you gonna try that? I like it. Them 9.5s right there. You do? Okay. I like it. Those are fresh. Hey, I finished that song.
The one that you played me?
I've been searching for.
Oh yeah.
I've been looking. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get that.
The merch.
Yeah. Ain't nothing out yet, but hey,
It's Easter Sunday. Service should be starting like right now, so I gotta get inside. But it's also April Fool's, so I'm a little suspicious because I heard some stuff today. But I'm not gonna believe it unless it's confirmed tomorrow. I don't know if it's true because I realize it's April Fool's. All right.
A few moments later.
Okay, it is Easter today, so happy Easter for everybody who celebrates Easter. For those who don't, happy Sunday. Today's video is going to be mostly focused on the last 31 days. Basically, 31 days ago, I started this whole March Madness thing, which was me uploading a video every single day in the month of March. I lost a lot of sleep, but I just wanted to spend today to kind of go over the results of uploading daily content and seeing what it did to my channel. So I'm just gonna go in here. I'm in my YouTube account right now. We're gonna look at these numbers. So this is when I started to upload content 3 times a week, which is way better than what I was doing before. It was maybe like once a month for a long time. I was very rarely uploading things, if at all. As you can see, my watch time, basically 200,000 minutes of watch time, 1 minute and 44 seconds of an average view duration, 114,000 views, and $58 in estimated revenue. Now, 521 subscribers in that month. So this is when I first started uploading 3 times a week, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, all the way up until March 1st when I did daily uploads for 31 days. So we would do March 1st through March 31st, 2018. Look at this. This is amazing. So the watch time almost added 100,000 more minutes of watch time, because I started also, in me uploading daily content, I started making as many 10-minute videos as possible, 10 minutes or more, because you can run more ads on that, and also, you know, it accrues more watch time because people will obviously watch longer. So 278,000 minutes of watch time compared to 199,000. It helped to upload longer videos, and I know a lot of people out there are probably thinking, but nobody's gonna watch for that long. You know, if I upload shorter videos, people will watch the whole thing. I had the same thinking. I thought the shorter the video, the more watch time I'll get, because people tend to watch for shorter amounts of time. This was my assumption, but I experimented with this and I uploaded a bunch of 10, 12, 15-minute videos. What I found was the longer the video was, the more people stuck around to watch. Now, I do consider myself to have engaging content that people want to watch for longer periods of time, so that also helps. But what I do know is that you can't have this idea in your head that if you upload a 10-12 minute video that people are still going to only watch for a minute and 20 seconds. But yeah, so average view duration went up, my views went up. What was it before? 114,000 views, I think. Now it's at 124,000 views, which is not so great, but obviously if you look at this graph, it is going up. So there was an increase, obviously, because the more videos, the more content I'm putting out, the more views I'll get, Because if you're constantly uploading content with the idea in your head that you already have 1 million subscribers, the people will come. Just a matter of you using the right SEO, you uploading more so that people have more chances of discovering you. Because honestly, the more you upload, as long as you're making your videos discoverable and it's stuff that people are searching for, the more you upload, the more likely somebody, at least one person, will find your video and be like, oh, I'm gonna hit subscribe. So let's say you upload a video every single day of the month. You get 100 views on every single video. That's 3,100 views that you're getting. Now, let's say out of those 100 views on every single video, what if one person subscribed from every single video? That's 31 new subscribers that you got because you uploaded 31 different videos and had 31 different chances of people, actually 3,100 chances of somebody actually liking your video. So that's why it's important to upload as often as possible if you really want to grow your channel. You never know who is going to like your stuff and who's going to hit that subscribe button. So I really do recommend that. And then we look at my revenue. Now, before it was $58. My revenue literally tripled. 50, 100, 150. I'm not at 150, but $142 versus 58 in January. And that's because I've been making these longer videos and I've been adding 3 ads in every single one of my videos that have over 10 minutes of content, basically. And then you look at my subscribers. Now, before it was 521 subscribers in 30 days. And here, because of my consistency, because of the type of content that I was uploading, you know, I was doing a lot of trending topics, reaction videos, I was doing tutorials and stuff like that. I went from 500 subscribers in January to 817 subscribers in March. That is 300 more than I made in January, which is awesome. Now I'm trying to get that to 1,000, then eventually 5,000, eventually 50,000 a month, but small steps, man. So somebody out there, if there's anybody out there who's watching this video and you really want to know how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can get paid with your YouTube more, I would say uploading as often as possible. It doesn't have to be daily, but just showing you what daily can do. Daily is best, as long as your content is good. If you follow what I did, because I think right now you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So in the month of March, in one single month, I got my YouTube channel to get 4,633 hours of watch time. That is already crushing the YouTube's standard for what you need now to monetize your videos. And then you need 1,000 subscribers from what I understand. And in 1 month, I got 817 subscribers. So it's possible to do this stuff very, very, very quickly. But you have to be dedicated, number one. Number two, you have to be creative in whatever you're uploading. Make sure that it's original, make sure it's entertaining, make sure it's educational, whatever it may be. Make sure it's stuff that people actually want to stick around and watch. Number three, I just stuck to trending topics. I don't know, this is just a real quick video that I wanted to do to show you guys. It is definitely possible. But just because March Madness is over does not mean that I'm gonna stop uploading videos consistently. I think what I'm gonna do is go back to doing 3 videos a week. So just so you guys know, I will be posting Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's California time, Los Angeles time, San Diego time, whatever you want to say. The content generally is going to be, Sunday's going to be a vlog, Monday's going to be something with music, and Tuesday I'm totally not sure yet. Maybe like a track out, like instrumental breakdown, if I have anything to break down, or like a tutorial. Just so you guys know, that's going to be the schedule for the time being until I can kind of recharge myself and see if I can fit more into my schedule. I actually just started driving for DoorDash because, as you guys know, I barely make any money on YouTube, and I'm tired of selling off my equipment. I'm tired of selling off my cameras. I'm tired of selling off my music stuff. So I got a job with DoorDash, basically picking up people's food and delivering it to their house, and it's the easiest money I've ever made in my life. So I'm going to be doing that for 5 days a week. I got money to make so I can buy new equipment, kind of build back up my stuff since I sold everything, and have some money so that I can actually do what I want to do with this channel, which is travel and make music. I want to make music in different locations, not just in my room. I want to make music at the Taj Mahal. I want to make music at the, you know, front lawn of the White House. I want to make music, I don't know, in a palace in Thailand. I don't know what it is. I just spit all over my desk, but I want to be the traveling musician that I say I am. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for always supporting my videos. I appreciate you more than you know. Download my new single, Annie. It is free. I just want as many people to hear it as possible. Spread the word if you can. Share the video. It means a lot. And I will see you in the next video. As always, be legendary, guys. I love you, and I'm out.
They don't see things the same.